Hey all you fine folks, welcome back to my channel. This is America from America's Abstracts bringing you a fresh new video. If you're new here, hi! I create fluid art to cope with my various chronic illnesses, and as a result of that I end up posting videos, either a creation video or a how-to video twice a week on Thursdays and Saturdays. So, I felt like it would be a good idea to get into the Christmas spirit with a little bit of a Christmas bloom. I ended up using various tube paints and also my This Little Piggy Pigments because I love my This Little Piggy Pigments. Colors and brands, of course, are going to be listed in the description. Also, if you want to know where to get the This Little Piggy Pigments, also listen to the description. If you love seeing my blooms, if you want to learn how to do cool blooms like that, I highly recommend taking the Shelee e-course, the Sheleeart e-course. It is approximately 75 American dollars for it, but with my code that brings it down to 60 something. So you definitely get your money back easily with that. Well, enough of me chatting, let's get to the painting.